Hello everybody, Stuart from Content Villain here. Today I want to introduce a new feature to you, which is our sentence finisher / sentence completer / text expander / write the next sentence. So this model sort of packs a punch in that regard, and I'd love to show you how it works. We're in the app in my test environment, so it's a bit slower than it is live. We have all of the models on the side. We will be fixing this menu, of course. And if you come down to other tools, we have the sentence finisher here. So we can click on that and it will load this new model for you. And you see that we have it, like all of the other models, provide the first part of a sentence and let the AI finish it. Super easy to use and helpful to get useful snippets you can use in your work or life. Try it out today. You can even write a full block of text and it will come up with the next sentence. So it packs a punch, and it's useful if you're halfway through a sentence and you don't know what to write next. The AI can do that for you. You can put in a bunch of text with completed sentences and it will write the next sentence for you. And this is really powerful because it's got a large sort of word, a character limit. So I've tested it up to like 2,000, 2,500 characters. I wouldn't really go higher than that. So, it will analyze the text that you put in before and then it will come up with the next sentence. So let's show two examples. Here's one that I did before, which I had to crush some bugs. So running a startup business is difficult. You have to work a lot. There is always something to be done and things can break. Customers can get unhappy with this, so you need to ensure that your customer service is on point. The way that I like to take care of customers is, and then if I wanted it to write for me, I'd hit the button, it's going to come up and it's going to say generating and it's going to work the model for us. The way that I like to take care of customers is by handling everything myself. Partly true, but it's not the most efficient way going forward, which is why I brought Jira on. So, that's something that you could use, but you could also try again. So what we do with this is, you can see we have a reset value button. We have the webhook, we have the focus mode, we have the save, we have the copy, we have the translate. Now, for this model, if you try and click this button again, it won't work because there's data in here. If we remove this data, so we say reset value, we can then click that again and it will work. So if you wanted to try and get a different output, you can do that and you will get a new one. The way that I take care of customers is with regular communication. Okay, so I think that is more like my style, right? I try and be honest and transparent with what we're doing here. So that is how it's created the remainder of the sentence. If we then wanted to take this, we can hit the copy button, we can reset that value, we can come back up here, we can paste that in, and then the only important thing to remember is if this ends with a full stop, we just want to put a space. That's all. So we put a space, and then we can feed this back in, and it's going to generate again, and we're going to get a new sentence. This ensures that they are always happy with your company. Okay, so we've got a new sentence, and we could repeat that process if we wanted. It's up to you. And you can put, like I said, you can put 2,000, 2,500 characters in this box if you really want to do that. A couple of things to keep in mind when using this, and I want your feedback because I want to improve it and I want to know how people use it. So what we're doing with the model, what we sort of programmed the model to do is to return up to 100 characters, and from that 100 characters we are doing a split on the full stop that it returns, the first full stop that it returns. So it might be returning more than we've got, but we're splitting it on that first full stop. So if you were after it to write, if you're after it to get more text back without that limitation, would that be something interesting to have, like a toggle, like return everything, even though it might not be a complete sentence, it might be sort of half a word? Let me know. Let me know how you plan to use this, and feedback is good. Would you like to see this implemented in another way, or does this look okay to you? That's pretty much what I want to do. I'll push it live now so you can all sort of have a play with it and crack on and enjoy some fun over the weekend. And as always, if you need me, email me or message me or write in the Facebook user group. That's always fun. So demonstration, finish your sentence / text expander / write the next sentence is now live. Cool. Awesome. Thank you.